let's go. Alright. So we have the original DJI Mavic Pro here, and we're going to be taking it flying around because I have nothing else better to do, and I just feel like making a video today. So this is my first video. Well, I've had recent videos on this channel, but I deleted them because they're cringy as hell. It's probably going to be, this one's probably going to be too. So if you do see this video, don't hate on me. So anyway, beautiful day, beautiful drone, great sightseeing. What could go wrong? Weak signal. I hope she didn't follow the drone back to our house. Alright. A little windy. I guess the gods heard me and they're like, you know what? We're gonna put some wind for this game, but that's okay. This drone can take it. Anyway, so we're gonna go into sport mode here because that's like my favorite thing to do. Because it's fast. You go like 40 miles an hour. Alright, so let's get started. I think it should be good now. The camera settings, I have the camera settings on manual because manual is like the best. You can change the exposure, you can change the light that comes into the shutter. It's awesome. And if you actually go over the setting and you histogram, you can do this little thing right here. It's awesome for, you know, catching the best photos and videos. I mean, obviously, my videos and photos probably suck. The color, I like to do D-Log or D-Zoom-like because it's the best, like, just for the exposure. I mean, I like the film. Film is awesome. Film is amazing, but yeah, we're gonna stop that right there. Here, let's go put that. We'll put that back on. All right. So let's go fly. So anyway, so we're flying. I love. I like spying on my neighbors. It's like the best thing to do around here. Like, cause these people over here, they hate me. They're like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? So, just go say hi to them. Buzz their house. Hell, we can even fly over their property, do all this stuff, be invasive to them. You know what I'm saying? It's really funny to see. So right now we're on the border of our property. Actually, no, this is still their property. Hell, we could even go down to Latigo Equestrian Center. It's where they keep all the horses and stuff because we live in an equestrian community. So you can go check that out. I like I like on the map, it shows you your flight path. It's real cool. Alright, let's see if we can find Latigo here. Somewhere around here. I think it's that big building up there. We go explore. Now and sometimes I gotta come back because I get too far, but the signal seems pretty strong. Nothing real bad. Beautiful day though. Beautiful day. There's a car right there. This is Latigo Equestrian Center. This is where they keep all the horses. So what we could do here is I don't know what we do. We just kind of view around, I guess. It's awesome. We have a good time with it. Basically taking a tour around where I live. Like, you guys will be seeing a lot of this because I love having a good time with this thing. It's really fun. Got it for Christmas about 3 years ago. Been loving it ever since. It's crazy how far this thing can go too. Can't even see it. It's like you're like James Bond. You're flying a spy drone. My dog got clipped by the propellers when it was good. That'll teach you though. I wonder if she's She's watching fruit. She hears it. I hear it too. Oh yeah, we brought her back. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's loud as hell. Kind of hard to land this thing because the sunlight's right in my face. Went like right here.
Landing.
Perfect. Woo! Good landing. I think that'll conclude it for it. I'm actually joking. Inside, it's a lot more quiet. Like you can't even
Take
hear
off.
it. So, good lord. I feel like my gimbal's messed up. You see that black part above the screen? Actually, I kind of hate that. I want to take it off. Alright, let's see. Alright.
Landing.
Hi. Taking that off. Thank you.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, that's a lot better. There we go. And she's off. I don't see it anymore. Cruise about 34 miles per hour right now. Ain't bad. 71 feet at altitude. Oh yeah, we're having a good time. My dog's like, that thing's hurting. Yeah, I'll teach you. I'll teach you not to be a menace to society, I'll tell you that for free. Could you not? I taught her how to ring a bell by her door. So that she would, you know, do her business. Not in the house. But quit ringing the bell. Go. Go. I'm inside the house. It's actually really fun to be inside the house when you're flying. Because, like, I mean, of course you have to be in a place where you can get some good signal, but you don't have to be. I wonder if Vlad is looking for it. It is a Monday, so it's busy. Not too busy, but it's people at work. Uh-oh. Weak signal. Y'all saw that on my screen too. Alright, we gotta go back then. It's funny whenever you get below your level. Go to minus. So it's pretty cool how it tells you like how you're below your, like we're 92 feet right now. But if we go down, what if we can land it on somebody's property? Be funny, like land it on the road. See, we're like at minus 20 right now. I don't think there's any cars. Weak signal. Oh, there's Crazy Mary. Dude, oh my god, Crazy Mary's walking her dogs. We call her Crazy Mary because she always tries to like do stupid stuff, like run out in front of people's cars. She's a Karen in the neighborhood. She doesn't like us. She can't do anything about it. She's probably gonna post it on Nextdoor though.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alright. Well, that was fun. Spying on my neighbors. As you guys saw. It's probably why you clicked on this video, is spying on my neighbors with a drone. So, I guess it wasn't really much spying on my neighbors, but I mean, it was because my neighbors hate me, so. Alright. I hope she didn't follow the drone back to our house. But it's okay.
Landing.
Alright, and that will conclude our flight today. Thank you so much for joining me. Just remember, if you're flying any drone, and it doesn't matter what kind of drone. It doesn't matter if it's, I don't know, a tiny little drone like this big. It doesn't matter. If you're flying it, I mean, if it even has that kind of reception. If you're flying on somebody's property that's not yours, you could get fined for that. And you have to have an AMA license and an FAA. You have to pass the FAA test. And that's with me. Because I'm a part of an RC club, and I do RC flights, remote control planes. Drone is just a fun little toy to mess around with, right? So if you're ever gonna fly like public parks, if you're ever gonna fly, I don't know, spy on your neighbors like I did today, make sure to get an AMA license, pass the FAA test, so you don't go through trouble of having, I don't know, $100 ticket. So, stay safe out there if you're flying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to. I'm not forcing you, because I'm annoying, so.
Angel, sing from above.